Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Hobby Toolkit is probably one of the most essential purchases for any new hobbyist. Ensuring you have the right tools from the start can save you time, frustration, and potentially even money in the long run. This video will not only help you pick the best kit for your needs but also guide you through the process of building a comprehensive collection tailored to your specific hobby, making sure you're well equipped to enjoy your new passion to the fullest. Number 5. 8 PCS Model Tools Kit. This comprehensive kit is perfect for both beginners and experienced modelers. It's ideal for creating a wide variety of models. The set includes side cutters, tweezers, a file, a hobby knife with blades, and polishing bars. Everything is neatly organized for easy access. These tools are built to last. The tweezers are made from durable stainless steel, ensuring long-term use. It comes in a sturdy plastic case, making it easy to transport and store. Take it with you wherever your projects take you. From cars and robots to airplanes and buildings, this kit gives you the tools to bring your creative visions to life. Start building today. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these tools are designed for ease of use. They're intuitive and efficient. What we like. It's a basic but complete set for beginners. If you are just starting out and don't want to spend a lot, this is a great option. It's also easy to carry around, so you can work on your projects anywhere. What people say. Each tool was useful and performed well. Snips work great. Blades are sharp. They work much better than the box cutter I had been using. Tweezers are big enough to be useful and have a grippy texture. Items look nice as well and seem durable. The side cutters are sharp and precise, making it easy to remove parts from sprues without damaging them. The tweezers are fine-tipped and great for handling small decals and pieces. I particularly appreciate the ergonomic handles on the tools, which make long sessions much more comfortable. One of the standout features for me is the compact storage case. It keeps everything organized and portable. Number 4. 108 PCS Pro Model Toolkit. Let's get started and see all the amazing tools included in this comprehensive kit. It's perfect for various projects, from model building to intricate repairs. Watch how smoothly it polishes your models. This powerful tool ensures a professional finish every time. These precision tools allow for intricate work on even the smallest details. You'll be able to achieve incredible accuracy. Whether you're a seasoned model builder or just starting out, this kit has everything you need. It's a great investment for any hobbyist. The sturdy toolbox keeps everything organized and portable. Take it with you wherever your projects take you. It's ideal for building and repairing Gundam models. The kit provides the tools for a seamless experience. Beyond models, it's also perfect for various art and craft projects. Its versatility makes it an invaluable tool. What we like. This kit is packed with tools and even includes an electric polisher. If you're a serious modeler and need a wide variety of tools for professional level work, this is the one for you. The electric polisher will significantly speed up your workflow. What people say. It meets the needs that I have working in plastic and resins. Convenient, affordable, and durable, perfect for a heavy-handed hobbyist like myself. This is a very nice tool kit that has almost everything you'd ever want when building models or small projects. Includes almost all of the most well-used tools that a modeler uses when building projects and things. Number 3. 55 PCS Gundam Model Toolkit. It is made of safe and environmentally friendly materials, ensuring a non-toxic and odorless experience. The tools are solid, durable, and sharp, built to last. Its lightweight design makes it easy to handle. The plastic case protects the tools and allows for convenient portability, so you can build anytime, anywhere. This kit has everything a beginner needs: a hand drill, electric grinder, sandpaper, cutting mat, and much more. It's an excellent value for a full set of tools. The trimmer pen is tightly clamped and features a durable plastic handle. The pliers are made of carbon steel, and the tweezers are high-strength stainless steel, resistant to various elements. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced modelers. Use it to create toys, cars, robots, and more, or give it as a thoughtful gift to a friend. What we like. This comprehensive kit is perfect for Gundam model enthusiasts. If you're looking for high-quality tools specifically designed for building Gundams, this kit offers excellent value and durability. It's a great investment for anyone serious about their Gundam models. What people say. Good beginner kit has almost everything you need in decent quality. It's a great kit for beginners who want to do more than just cutting out the pieces for Gunpla models kits. This is great for putting together model kits. It has everything you need, plus it came with carrying cases so you can have all your tools organized and in one place. Number 2. Stedi Model Scriber Chisel. This precision tool is designed for modelers of all skill levels. Its tungsten steel blade ensures exceptional sharpness and durability for all your projects. It's made from high-quality tungsten steel, making it wear-resistant, rust-resistant, and incredibly sharp. You'll appreciate its smooth, precise lines. The blade is precision ground to a mirror finish, providing superior sharpness for the finest details. Create deep, clean scribe lines with ease. The lightweight, aviation aluminum handle is ergonomically designed for comfort, even during extended use. Its unique shape prevents it from rolling off your work surface. It's perfect for various models, from cars and planes to Gundam kits and more. Use it to add those fine details that elevate your models. Always handle it with care to prevent damage to the blade. Remember to replace the protective cap after each use. What we like. This precision scriber is a must-have for detail-oriented modelers. If you need incredibly sharp and durable tools for precise scribing and panel lining, this is the best choice. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, even for extended periods. Number 1. 9PCS Gundam Model Tools Kit. This versatile tool kit is perfect whether you're just starting out or a seasoned model builder. It has everything you need to create amazing things. Get everything you need in one convenient kit. It includes pliers, files, knives, polishing cloths, and more, all at a great price. These tools are made from high-quality materials for long-lasting durability. The pliers are carbon steel, the tweezers are stainless steel, and the handles are designed for comfort and control. It's lightweight and compact, so you can take it anywhere. The handy plastic case keeps everything organized and protected. Surprise a friend who loves models or crafting. It's a thoughtful and unique present they'll truly appreciate. What we like. This small but useful kit is perfect for beginners or as a gift. If you're looking for a simple, affordable set to get started, or want to give a thoughtful gift to a budding modeler, this is an excellent option. Its compact size makes it easy to store and transport. What people say. Product is very well made and would recommend. Great starter kit for model building. This is a great kit for a beginner. You can definitely just slowly upgrade the parts later on. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.